Hello everyone, welcome to Taste to Explore. My name is Darlene. It's a classic dish that I'm making today. Sweet potato candied yams, however you want to call it. That's what we're making today. I'm going to show you the most simplest way to do it. Now granted, there must be like 101 different ways to make this particular recipe. Every family does it different, but I want to bring you recipes that are super easy, quick to put together. I have for you a very easy recipe. So now let's just walk over to the basic ingredients to get this started. Alright my friends, and let's begin. The start of this show, we have about roughly 4.5 pounds of sweet potatoes. I am going to peel them, and then I will show you what to do after that. It's pretty simple. Alright, with a paring knife or a potato peeler, we're just gonna cut the little ends off and just start peeling away. I'm gonna do all these and I'll be right back when this is all done. So after you finish peeling all your sweet potatoes, now it's time to just slice them. You can slice them as thick or as thin as you want, and I'm just going to be slicing all of them down. Going to be putting in 1 stick of butter. I'm using salted butter. You can use unsalted if you prefer. And there goes 1 salted butter, 1 stick. With that, I am going to be putting in a 1/2 cup of brown sugar and a 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, and that goes right in here as well. 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, ground cloves, and ground ginger, all right in there. And of course, you can change it up and flavor it out yourself. If you want more ginger, if you want more cinnamon, the choice is absolutely yours, my friends. So we're just gonna mix this to combine. All right friends, so once your butter has melted down just like this, and look at that awesome looking syrup. Oh my god, this looks so delicious. So this is all done, and now we can put this together with our sweet potatoes. All right my friends, so after you finish chopping down your sweet potatoes and you melted this delicious syrup, we are just gonna put this sweet buttery syrup right on top. Now what you need to do is cover this with aluminum foil, place this in your oven on 350 for a 1/2 hour, and then we're going to check on it and I'll let you know how it looks. Okay my friends, so I just took this out the oven so I can give it a check to see how tender. Ooh, hot baby. It smells so good. Oh man, look at that. It smells so divine. All that juices is from the sweet potatoes, mind you. Oh boy, it smells so good. But with my fork, it needs just a tad bit more time in there. So I'm going to leave it in the oven again for another 30 minutes. Covered, and I'm just basting all this goodness with the juices that it created. Oh man, it looks so good. So let me not disturb anymore. I'm going to put it back on my oven. That's on 350. I'm going to leave it in there for another 30 minutes. See you back when it's all done. Just took this out the oven. It is so juicy and it smells so good in here. I'm gonna do a little taste test. Oh my god, which piece should I take? I'm gonna take this bad boy right here with some of the juices right on top. This is so magnificent. It smells so good, guys. Okay, my friends, the best part of the video is the taste test time. Now, my friends, you are going to love this classic dish. Who doesn't love sweet potato, right? But this recipe is really easy. You can make tons of it. It's really easy to multiply it. Oh my goodness. And it smells so good. I'm trying to get some of the buttery goodness in my piece right here. Pretty hot. Y'all don't know what you're missing. This, my friends, it is easy, but it is so good. This is a Southern classic. Have this for Thanksgiving. Have it for Christmas. Have it for whenever. Something like this, you can have it anytime during the year, and it's such a delicious dish. Soft, sweet, buttery. The spices is just a hint, like a nice little note in your mouth. But if you want to add more, feel free to add more, my friends. Thank you so much for joining me today. It's always a pleasure to have each and every one of you here in my kitchen cooking this amazing, delicious, but simple side dish recipe. Follow me in my social media sites. I will leave you the links to all my social media platforms here down in the description box below, along with the ingredients that I used today. And I thank you so much for joining me. If you have any suggestions and you want to see something else, leave me a comment below. I do have a playlist with like tons of Thanksgiving ideas, down from desserts and side dishes and turkeys. I mean, you name it. I have everything already in my channel. So feel free to look and see what you need, and leave me any comments. I would love to hear and chat with each and every one of you. Until next time, my friends, have a blessed holiday. I wish you well, and I'll see you again. Take care. Bye-bye.